Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today is the lecture number 13 BBA semester 4 business communication, and now today we learn about how to write a resume and then the process of the interview. Now first of all, the resume basically is a such kind of the document which also give us a written summary of a person's education, employment background and job qualification. The purpose of the resume is to make the selection process easy and also make it effective. So there are some important parts of a resume. Now the first section, that is called the opening section. In the opening section you must write the left corner of the page. First of all, name, and then the address and telephone numbers and summary of basic qualification. So now in the next part you must write your father's name in the left corner of the page, and then write your address in front of the title address and phone number. After that you must write the date of birth under the title of the address on the left corner of the page, and then write the gender, either male or female, and marital status. It means that whether you are a married person or unmarried person, you must mention in your resume. And then you must write the nationality on the left corner of the page under the marital status. You must write the nationality, and also either if you are a Pakistani, you must write Pakistani in form, or other option you must mention it in front of the nationality. And then you must write your NIC number. Just as all this process must be written alphabetically in order, after one another of the left corner of the page. You must write your NIC number, and then you must start the section of your education. You must write in a descending order. First of all, you must mention your higher qualification, and then you must come down towards the downward. For example, if you are a postgraduate from the University of the Punjab, suppose you are a postgraduate in Islamiyat and Urdu, English, economics, stats and also on, so you must write the you must mention the year. Suppose if you passed in 2011, also you must write the relevant name of the relevant university along with the division or grade that is obtained by you. And after that you must write under the post graduation, then the graduation. You must write the name of the year, suppose 2009, and the same university, so you must write the Punjab University and also mention the division. And then intermediate, you must write the year, suppose 2007, and then write the name of the board, suppose BAIS Lahore, and must mention the division. And then the matriculation, if you pass matriculation in 2005 and so on, so you must write in the same way as the board name and also first division. So just the same process has been repeated in a same way. Under the title of the education you must write your qualification, which must be written in a descending order from post graduation and comes to an end at the matric level. And then you must write the experience, if you have any experience. So for example, if you have a experience to have a job in any kind of the bank, you must write that I have been working with Askari Bank, HBL Bank, Lahore as a accountant for the last 2 years. I am doing the job of ledger maintenance of the business clients and also working as a cashier. So it is most better if you write the relevant experience. And then the next option, you must write the relevant skills. If you have any relevant skills, for example diploma, in computer application with specific training in maintaining computerized account, you must also mention it. And then if you have any extracurricular activities, for example, if you are a member of a welfare society in your area, for example, if you